back to my channel. My name is Demiya if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this hair featuring Xrsbeauty. It's Xrsbeauty, but the pronunciation is Xrsbeauty. So yeah, they sent me over there clear lace, clear hairline, 13x6, 16-inch straight wig, and it's 200% density, but I don't think it's 200% density. It's more like 130, if I'm being honest. The reason I wanted to do this 70s inspired video is because I know y'all been seeing a TikTok trend. I'm just gonna insert my video here. But yeah, I decided to take the opportunity to do it with this hair, and it came out pretty good. You can also use my code Demiya20 for 20% off across the website. But yeah, I'm gonna get into more specs on this hair in the video, so just keep on watching. Y'all, voiceovers are so stressful. I've done like 20 takes so far. Anyway, they sent me over 2 pieces of lace. They're clear lace and regular transparent lace, and this is their 16-inch straight wig. It's 200% density, but I don't think so. Y'all will see what I mean. Anyway, I did lose footage of this unboxing, so I had to do it over, but I reinstalled the wig anyway, so it worked out. So this was after washing it and curling it. The wig did come with 4 combs, but I took out the 2 side combs because they were in my way. And as you can see, it's supposed to be a 13x6 frontal, but it's really more like a closure with the edges being frontal, like, if y'all know what I mean. It got tracks like going through the frontal, and I don't like that because you can't really do a side part. But anyway, it came with this adjustable elastic band, some duck clips, a comb, a wig cap, some eyelashes, and some flexi rods, which I really appreciate. So this is their regular transparent lace and their new clear lace. And y'all, do y'all see how this clear lace is just blending in? So yeah, I feel like if you're a beginner with wigs like I am, I mean, it's not my first time trying on a wig, but I don't really wear wigs, so this clear lace was just perfect for me. Like, it was just so easy to blend with my skin, and yeah, it was way thinner than the transparent lace. So I did do a bun for my foundation. I just didn't feel like braiding because I'm not gonna wear this wig for forever, and I did shave like the peach fuzz around my edges just so my lace can lay better. And y'all, this is where I messed up. I used this dark cap, and I also used glue on my cap. I mean, I thought I was arrogant because he does this and it works for him, but it just didn't work for me. I think the glue is just too thick, or maybe I put too much, I don't know. Anyways, the dark cap just didn't work out. Like, I thought I was doing something by using a cap that matched my skin, but girl, don't do that. In the next install, I used a lighter cap and my foundation powder, and that just worked out better. So here I'm just customizing the frontal to my hairline. I don't like when wigs come down all the way on people's foreheads. Like, your hairline don't start right there, so don't put it right there. But yeah, here's me just customizing it. This took forever, y'all, because like I said, I'm a beginner. And the hair that I pulled down, like, to customize to my hairline, I did like pull all of their hair out. I didn't show it, but yeah, I ripped it out from the lace. But yeah, I trimmed the hair a little bit just to give it like cleaner ends because it was looking a mess. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all watch. Okay, I lied. I just realized that I lost the footage of me like putting a glue on my forehead so I could lay the lace down. But after I did that, I just sprayed some more free spray and melted it some more. So y'all, I'm embarrassed about what y'all finna see. Arrogant Tay uses a flat iron to curl his edges before he lays them, and yeah, I tried that. It just wasn't working out. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I thought shaking it was gonna help me, but it did not. So yeah, I just kept playing with it. It was looking real wiggish. Like, I mean, I know it's a wig, but I just didn't like it. So I just kept playing with it, and
I mean, it was looking okay for somebody who like don't wear wigs, and it was my first time in a long time doing this, but I just would not go out the house like that. So I just wasn't satisfied, and I just kept tweaking it and tweaking it and tweaking it. But at the end of the night, I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna do this tomorrow. I can't, I don't want to post this content of my hair looking jacked up. I just didn't know what I was doing. So when I was getting ready to go to sleep, I just had this bright idea to, put the wig back on and add some hair. So y'all gonna see what I did to, fix it, make it longer and nice and luscious, like how y'all saw in the beginning. But yeah, you can't even do a side part because they got the tracks on the side. Like, look, I don't like that. But everything else about the hair was nice. Yeah, I can't complain about the quality. So I just used the Clairol Kaleido Colors powder and the Clairol 40 Developer. And I just mixed it until it was like a toothpaste type mixture. It was a little more liquidy than toothpaste, but yeah, just protecting my wig head. And I sprayed some free spray so that I don't quite get the edges, and I still ended up bleaching it anyways, but it's all good. So after letting it sit for about 25 to 30 minutes, I just washed it out with this Redken Color Extend Blonded shampoo. And then, like I said, y'all, this is not 200% density. Like, look at how thin this wig is. But yeah, I use this Alpha-G heat protecting spray and BioSilk and blow dry everything out. And then section off the frontal because I didn't want to add more tracks to the frontal. I just wanted to lay nice and flat. And I just went between every single track that the wig had and added another weft. Alright, once I got like halfway through the wig, I started adding the tracks like every other 2 tracks because I didn't want it to be too thick at the top. So once I got to like 3/4 of the wig, I stopped adding tracks altogether. I just really didn't want too many tracks around the frontal. So right here is when I got so happy. It was looking so nice and thick and the hair was flowing nicely. These bundles are from the Hair Boutique. I know it's not sponsored, but yeah.
Y'all, we back and we better. I'm feeling way more confident about this than I did yesterday.
So y'all, look at how much more natural this looks now that I bleached the knots. I did over bleach it, but it's fine because that's always fixable with some dye or some makeup. But yeah, I just, instead of using glue, I just sprayed it down this time. And yeah, I feel like I definitely laid it better when I did it the first time because I had more lace to work with and it was just easier. But I just feel like this looks more natural. Practice definitely makes perfect. So yeah, I'm just using some dye to clean up like my part. Well, make it a little thinner because it looked like Moses unparted the Red Sea in my scalp. But yeah, I blow dry the dye down. And y'all, look at how it's like, just look at it. If I hadn't over bleached it, then it would look better, but whatever. She's still laid.
More lace though. When they said clear lace, they really meant it. Like, they really meant it. Like, I just want y'all to see. Back up, don't get too close. Back up. But look. I gotta put some dye right there. Cause I saw y'all getting too close. I saw you screenshotting and zooming in. I'm mad I can't do a side part with this. That's like my only issue with this wig. I like the way this curl came out though. Like, this first one is really nice. I have a good feeling about this time. I feel like it's gonna turn out how I wanted it to. Y'all, my arms hurt so bad, but I'm determined because I'm almost at the end. This is not how their curls look, but this is what I could do. Okay, so I'm about to check it out and we're gonna see. I'm scared, y'all. Hey y'all, I'm back. Y'all wouldn't believe that it's literally a whole week later, maybe. Yeah, a whole week later since I recorded this video. I wanted to do the TikTok for real, so I got another phone. That's the song. I hope this turns out like, excuse me. I hope this turns out right. This looks very pretty. I like both of these curls. Like this one is cute, this one is cute. This one is more modern. It's more 70s. But sadly, I have to curl it over. All right, that's it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out Xrsbeauty and use my code Demiya20 for 20% off. I feel like this is the perfect beginner wig because the knots come bleached. I mean, I did have to bleach it myself again, as y'all saw, but they come bleached and pre-plucked and it's easy to blend. So yeah, I feel like this would be the perfect wig for a beginner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. I think that's it. Bye, y'all.